Watch this entire video to the end, and then, click on the links in the description below for more information. Candle Magic, a quick guide. White. White represents purity, spirituality and peace. In some cultures it is the color of death and mourning. Red. Red symbolizes health, energy, strength, sexual virility, courage and the masculine principle in nature. Pink. Pink is associated with romantic love, affection and friendship. Yellow. Yellow is the color of the intellect, the powers of the creative imagination, memory, communication and mental agility. Green. Green equals abundance, fertility, good luck and harmony. Blue. Blue is the color of healing, truth, inspiration, higher wisdom, occult power and psychic protection, understanding, good health and the feminine principle in nature. Purple. Purple symbolizes success in financial affairs, psychic ability of a highly developed form, idealism and spiritual power. Gold. Gold attracts positive influences and it's connected with justice and career matters. Silver. Silver represents clairvoyance, astral energies and channeling, also the faculty of far memory and remembering past lives. Get more information on witchcraft, spells, and magic by clicking on the resource links below in the description. Make sure that you like and share this video. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Visit us at witchcraftmagic.com and sign up for weekly freebies. Thanks for watching.